morning, Boston International Newcomers Academy. I hope you are very excited today for this very special day at BINcA. Today is Diversity and Democracy Day at Boston International Newcomers Academy. It's a special day for us to learn together about democracy and diversity. It's a really amazing day because we have over 50 different workshops happening in the school today and a lot of amazing opportunities. Your teachers have worked very hard to make this a special day for you, so please take advantage and enjoy the day. Thank you.
My name is Sholendi. I'm from Haiti. I'm a sophomore in Boston International High School. To me, democracy means the government having to making certain decisions for the people of the United States.
My name is Cleusa and I'm from Cape Verde. Today is a special day to celebrate democracy. Democracy is a means to people to choose their leaders and to hold their leaders accountable for their policy and their conduct in office.
Hi, I'm Amal Ibrahim. I'm a 12th grade student and I will be saying what is democracy in Arabic. الديمقراطية هي الحرية والمساواة بين الجميع. شكرا.
My name is Andrea Taylor. I am a 12th grade student. I'm from Italy, and for me democracy is giving a vote to someone who can protect my rights and is able to embrace diversity.
Hola, mi nombre es Catherine, yo soy de El Salvador. Para mí democracia es cuando el pueblo, la gente tiene el derecho de votar por el presidente que quiere o por el líder que quieren que sea. Yo creo que es importante porque la gente tiene el derecho de decidir qué persona puede hacer una buena decisión para nuestro país y para el futuro de nuestro país e para o futuro de nosotros também.
Olá, meu nome é Ricardo, eu sou de Angola e hoje estamos a falar sobre a democracia porque é muito importante que nós temos. Basically, a democracia é um regime de governos em todas as importantes, que toma todas as importantes decisões, que estão com o povo e que elege seus representantes por meio do povo.
Hello, my name is Dan. I'm from Vietnam. To me, democracy is the system of government that people choose someone to represent them. American is a democracy because people vote for representative and president. One thing I like about American democracy is checks and balance. Chế độ dân chủ là một hệ thống mà người dân bầu chọn ai đó để đại diện cho họ. Hoa Kỳ là một nền dân chủ bởi vì mọi người bỏ phiếu cho các đại diện và tổng thống. Một điều tôi thích về chế độ dân chủ của Hoa Kỳ đó là kiểm tra và cân bằng.
Hola, mi nombre es Nixon Martínez, yo soy de Honduras. Hoy es un día especial para nosotros porque celebramos el Día de la Diversidad y Democracia. La democracia es una forma de gobierno del Estado donde el poder es ejercitado por el pueblo mediante mecanismos legítimos de participación en la toma de decisiones políticas.
Hi, my name is Hoda and I'm from Kenya. Democracy to me is when the people fight for their land and speak up, and when the government listens to their people. It's important because everybody's opinion matters. Dimuqraadiyadda waxaa weeyaan marka qof kasta
My name is Jennifer Polanco. I'm 17 years old. I'm from the Dominican Republic and I'm in Boston International High School. For me, democracy is in a state or society characterized by formal equality of right and privilege, and I personally think that political and society equality is the spirit of democracy.
Well, my name is Peter Wilson da Silva. I think that democracy is a system of the government where all the population are involved to identify their rights and laws and liberty for expressions.
Hi, my name is Dana. I'm from Cape Verde and I'm in 10th grade.
So for me, democracy
is when everybody has a right of speech, their right to vote who they want to be their representative, who they want to protect their rights. So I think democracy is important because you have the chance to choose who you want to represent you, which is the most important thing, because you want the person to represent you to be responsible, to have good decisions, and make your country even better.
Ciao, mio nome è Andrea, vengo dall'Italia, sono qua da 3 anni, questo è il mio 4º anno e sono un 12th grader student. Per me la democrazia significa dare il potere a una persona affinché questa persona riesca a modificare e a permettere ai cittadini di avere sicurezza, protezione e cose necessarie per sopravvivere e per mantenere un paese forte.
My name is Jesuina and I'm from Cape Verde, and our school is celebrating a Diversity Day because we're all from different cultural backgrounds, ethnicities, religions, and race, and we come together to celebrate our differences. Diversity is important because it encourages all of us to embrace and understand others in order to facilitate cooperation and collaboration.
That's awesome.
My name is Nelson, I'm from Cape Verde, and today is Diversity Day. For me, diversity is important because, like in this school, we all came from diverse countries, so we all have the experience to see and learn from each other.
I'm Ida Alves, I'm a senior at Boston International, and for me, diversity is different countries, different people from different countries coming together, becoming a community, learning each other's culture, be able to communicate with each other. It's more so we can know each other's culture, know where we came from, what we went through to get to where we are.
My name is Yosalam Burhane and I'm from Sudan. I was born in Sudan, but my family are from Eritrea originally. So that pretty much makes me very diverse. And I also live in the United States. That makes me more diverse. And I also go to a school that is from all over the world that are also diverse. That's diversity to me. Being from different countries, being from different places, having different cultures, that's diversity. If we have diversity in this world, we won't have tension, we won't have conflict, which is why we need diversity in this world, to be peaceful, to be happy, to be accepted in this world, and to be treated as humans. That's diversity to me.
Hi, my name is Artit Briske. I'm in the 11th grade and I come from Albania. I really loved the school when I came here, and I learned that diversity is a very fun thing and creative. I want to say a short message about diversity in my language. Diversiteti është si piktura që pikturojmë, nëse përdorim vetëm një ngjyrë, do të jetë shumë e mërzitshme dhe jo kreative. Nëse përdorim shumë ngjyra, do të jetë më kreative dhe më e fuqishme. So I basically said that if we paint a picture only in one color, it's not going to be that fun and that creative, but if we use multiple colors, it's going to be so powerful.
From my perspective, democracy is just a type of government, like when the people have the right to speak out, to say whatever they want. It's so important to me because when there is democracy, I feel that my voice matters, that government cares about me. And about the diversity, it's just amazing when you know about other backgrounds and other people's cultures, because you just grow personally and like as a person. It just makes everything like perfect. When there is diversity and democracy together, there is just peace. Like as together as a nation, it's just amazing.
Now this is where I learned that change only happens when ordinary people get involved and they get engaged and they come together to demand it. After 8 years as your president, I still believe that. And it's not just my belief. It's the beating heart of our American idea, our bold experiment in self-government. It's the conviction that we are all created equal, endowed by our Creator with certain unalienable rights, among them life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The work of democracy has always been hard. It's always been contentious. Sometimes it's been bloody. For every 2 steps forward, it often feels we take 1 step back. But the long sweep of America has been defined by forward motion, a constant widening of our founding creed to embrace all, and not just some. Understand, democracy does not require uniformity. Our founders argued, they quarreled, eventually they compromised. They expected us to do the same. But they knew that democracy does require a basic sense of solidarity. The idea that for all our outward differences, we're all in this together, that we rise or fall as one.
You ready? Woo! Let's go! Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name.
Quatro linhas, boy, tem que ser rhyme. Boca terceiro, literal, vegetal ou persistente, cima quer farral. Na crioula, matal, mana, herse, mano, está flamangel. Não se pá, ataca, preto e amarelo. É que sombrio, mano, tem moral de ferro. 11 imigrantes na campo, político, mano. Quadrilhas de africano, adversários, tudo que joelho. Cima, mentores, respeito cada pesa, camés, mano, tem meio.